Upulit barim jong ke jela Meghalaya ubalong ru Nongai Ktien jong ke Seng BGP uba kharkrang. Ula Dawa ban penlong ya ke Tohkit ha ka bayadei bat ke Jingpynlut jong ke Pisa kabla mang ha ka por bawan lingshop ka klam COVID kat kendai. Ula ong bakani kamdei ban long kamat bat kumta dei ban penlong ya ke Tohkit na ba kumnu ke jela kum ka Meghalaya ka badon tang khendiat na ke jingya bun pan. Ka don kam ya ke Pynsep Pynsep ka ba pelat ya ka pras pa klur tingka. Kat ba ki jela kum ka Assam bat Manipur ki baya bit bun ya ke Jingpang ban ya ke jela Meghalaya ki don kam ya ke Jingpynlut Pynsep ka belong tang arspa lani arspa san pau klur tingka ban ya kun persha ya ke Jingpang COVID kat kendai.
Has been arrived at and where have they spent this amount? And I just hope the thing is, this has to be investigated into. This has to be this cannot be just be an election agenda. This has to go beyond that. Because 813 crores for a state like Meghalaya, when all other states like Assam and all are spending 250 crores, Manipur spending 77 crores, Meghalaya with 35 lakhs or so population spending 830 crores is astounding, and I really don't have any more words to say. And if this is not a scam, then I don't know what this is.
Ha ka bayadei bat ki election